ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜಿನಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Ambedkar is ours. We are the champion. That slogan everywhere Congress people are saying. But we are asking the Congress party who defeated Ambedkar twice in the parliament. Why Congress not given Bharata Ratna to Ambedkar? This is the question we are asking for Congress. 1 week, entire Karnataka, we will do Jana Jagruti Yatra, Bhima Yatra, Samvidhan Rakshak Divas. 1 week, entire Karnataka, our party workers will do seminar and slogans, everything, all over Karnataka.
ಇದು ಈ ದಿನದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳು. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿರಿ ಜಿನಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.